I still think having a brand image is still important. I know people keep saying drop the quality and just post, post, post on social media. But what they're forgetting is that there is going to be a certain amount of people who just want to get an idea of what you're about and who you are. And they may go to the website that you own and your social media accounts, and they will um, form an opinion, and that would be what, 3 seconds, and you need to express what you're about quickly, and that means a lot to do with your standards. So the quality of your posts and the image and the brand is really important when it comes to those sides of things, especially when you're a business person, and you're not just doing posts for personal reasons.